So let's look at how you can make comments. So it's very useful. Let me see. I'll access to the 2 documents that was shared with me. Oops, the 3 documents. And then I will comment. So this is very useful. For example, if you already have a final draft and you don't want to change any data, any content, you just want to highlight something. I'll just highlight BB in this document, right-click, and then click on comment. And then, okay, the screen is a bit small. Let me move. Okay. So I've highlighted something and then click on comment. And this will actually inform the person. Any comments that I make, the owner will receive a notification email that this document, someone has posted a comment for you. Then you can access it. So I think this is Ms. Lucy Fernandez's document. Then she should receive an email notification from me. And then after that, maybe Lucy, can you type in another comment so that we can see? Okay, to reply on a comment, for example, I want to reply my own comment. I click on it, and then I can either edit, delete, because I'm the person who create, or reply. Or I can also highlight another word, right-click, and click on comment. So you can have actually threads and threads of comments in a document. So if you're teaching, you can actually use this for an essay before the students actually submit a final draft, or before the student tell you that this is the final one, you can actually go in and take a look and give comments to them. So for example, they forget to quote something or cite something. You can actually highlight the word and then right-click and make the comment. And then you can tell them, cite this, who actually said this, or a lot of things that you can do with this. And then once you're done, the owner or yourself who make the comment can actually go back in the same document. Okay, for Lucy and myself, we actually commented on what is BB, I asked. And then she said blackboard. Then I replied her, okay. So I'm just going to click on this again. And you'll find a resolve button at the top right-hand corner. The resolve button means it's been resolved. She answered my question already. I don't want it in my screen already. So I'll click on the resolve button. And then it'll be, the comment will disappear. Okay, so that's how you make comments. And if you notice, there's another comment button at the top right-hand corner. If you click on this, you should see the comments that you created, right? This is another way for you to comment. This is to comment on the whole product instead of the section. So, for example, I just want to tell the owner of this document, so I'll just tell her that this document is actually useful to me. I'll just comment. And then she will actually see the comment on her view. Lucy, can you help to make a comment on that button? Just click the comment button. Yes. Okay. So the difference between the two types of, two different ways of commenting is when you highlight in the comment itself, right, the words or the phrase itself, and type in comment, it will actually show on the right side, your comments. But if you comment on the whole document, the person needs to go to the comment and then see all the comment that is for the whole document. So it won't disrupt work. So it depends on how you want to use this, but for the comment button here, the person who owns the document will receive a notification email about the comment. But if the person did not go to the Gmail, they won't know that the comment has been made. So that's the downside of using the comment button. So which is why most of people always use the highlight the text and right click to make a comment instead. So it depends on how you want to use it. So that's how you make a comment.